Do you have an old phone sitting in a drawer, collecting dust? What if I told you that you can turn it into a fully functional security camera in just a few minutes, completely free? Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to transform any old smartphone into a powerful home monitoring device. First, let's talk about why an old phone is perfect for this job. Most modern smartphones already have high-quality cameras, Wi-Fi connectivity, and decent battery life. These are the exact same components found in expensive security cameras. So instead of throwing your old phone away, you can repurpose it and save money. The key to making this work is using a security camera app. There are several options, but one of the most popular and easiest to use is called Alfred Camera. You'll need to install the app on both your old phone and your current phone. The old phone will act as the camera, and your main phone becomes the viewer. Once you install the app, sign in using the same account on both devices. Then, select Camera on the old phone and Viewer on your current phone. Right away, you'll start receiving a live feed from your old device no matter where you are, as long as you have internet access. Next, you need to place your old phone in the right spot. A good security camera needs a stable position, a wide view, and a power source. You can use a small phone stand, double-sided tape, or even reuse an old tripod. Point it toward your door, living room, garage, or anywhere you want extra eyes. Don't forget power. Keep the phone plugged in so it doesn't die. And if you're worried about heat, remove the phone case to help keep it cool. The best part is the features you get for free: motion detection, alerts, night vision, two-way audio, and cloud recording options, all using a device you weren't even using anymore. So before you buy an expensive CCTV system, try this simple trick. Your old phone might just become the most useful security tool in your home. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.